Alright, time to tear it apart. You guys hear that? It sounds like it's canned. I did a head gasket job on this one. Guy said he was trying to overpass and it just started misfiring. Did a compression. We have 2 dead cylinders, 0 compression. We either got stuck valves, bent valves, or something, you know, pitted valve seats. So we'll see what we find. Getting ready for the engine to come out. I'm gonna remove the supercharger, remove the radiator, all the accessories out of the way. I just need to loosen up the motor mounts, engine mounts. One over here. I got everything else out of the way, removing the supercharger so I could get to the bolts on the bell housing, and it makes it a little easier for me. Got the power steering out of the way, and I'm trying to leave as much as possible in the car or in the engine bay so I don't have to drain a lot of fluids. It's just easier, so I won't make a big mess. But yeah, supercharger, well, the charger cooler is out, it's coming out next. It's loose. Supercharger is next. This is a 2014 Range Rover Sport. Head gaskets were replaced on this one before, but the guy said he was trying to overpass and it started misfiring. Did a compression. Cylinders 7 and 8, we got 0 compression, so we're gonna have to take it apart again, make sure, see what's causing the loss of compression. Is it piston rings, or is it burnt valves, you know, bent valves, stuck valves, pitted valves, cracked valves? We're gonna see. It is chugging a little bit of oil, I noticed that. While loosening up the cat, can't really see it. Catalytic converter. Previously, the cat was damaged here due to the coolant loss, so I don't know if that has to do anything with what's going on with right now. So let me take it apart and I'll show you guys what we find. All right, guys, I removed the charger air cooler. Started looking at the valves on cylinders 6 and 7. The only thing I could see has a lot of carbon buildup. Let me see. Hold on, guys. Let me see if I can get you guys a better view. Okay, much better. That's the only thing I could see. Unless we got leaking valve seals, which is causing oil to drip by the valve guides, or worn valve guides, causing oil to drip by, causing carbon buildup. They all look pretty dirty. We'll see what happens. We'll keep looking for any signs. But if we do need to replace valve guide seals, the head has to come off, and it's easier to remove the engine to do all that work because I gotta remove the whole timing up front, and it's just way much easier on my back instead of bending down, leaning down, straining my back. This is how I found it more easy and accessible for me. Looks a little wet there. It could be the valve seals, valve guides. causing carbon buildup to stay open. Bear with me, guys. No, I'm learning as I'm going. Keep you guys updated. All right, guys, got the supercharger out. Damn, that thing is heavy. This is how the valves are looking. They look kind of wet. And these are the 2 cylinders that we have no compression. This one and this one are all 150. This side we have a slight misfire on some, but it's probably due to the fact that the firing order. But yeah, these are the bad ones. Next, I gotta remove the bell housing bolts, remove the torque converter bolts, and the engine mounts, and should almost be ready to come out. Here's a supercharger. This is from a V8.